Security is considered as one of the most important things for mobile users, including Android phone users. Saying these conditions, a German company, Nitrokey, released a smartphone that is claimed to be the safest Android phone ever, Nitrophone 1. Nitrophone 1 is actually a Google Pixel 4a smartphone with a modified security system. Nitrophone 1 adopts the Android-based GrapheneOS operating system, which is claimed to be more secure. Even though it uses the Android ecosystem, GrapheneOS does not carry any Google applications in it, since its main focus is to provide strong security features. Thanks to the Titan M security chip installed, this smartphone can detect spyware attacks and minimize their attempts in harming its users' data. Titan M chip has been famously known in blocking hacking attempts made on mobile devices, such as preventing malware loading and securing password information. The encryption system is also claimed to be very strong. Moreover, this phone also supports the privacy screen feature, so users don't have to worry if someone else tries to peek at their smartphone screen. Users can still install Android applications but with very limited access. The installed applications also can access sensitive phone data such as IMA, MAC address, SIM card serial number, and others.